Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to download and install VS Code. So let's get started. The first thing is to go to your browser and type this URL in the search bar. Then you click on download for Windows. Then you wait for it to download. So when the file is fully downloaded, you'd click on the file, then this is what will display on your screen. After that, you would make sure you accept the agreement, then you click on the next button. So you click on next again, but make sure you have enough space on your device. That's very important. Then after that, you make sure you check the 4 boxes. It's very important. Check these 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after that, you click on the next button. Then you click on the install button. Then you wait for it to install. Once it is fully installed, you click on finish. So this is how your workspace will look like. Yes, we've successfully downloaded and installed our VS Code. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.